So ayun mga kaatsyo po, viral karon ang Taragis dahil sa kanilang April Fools prank gone wrong. Nag-post kasi ang Taragis na may pa-premium sila na kung sino magpapatato sa noo ng kanilang logo makakatanggap ng 100,000. Alam niyo naman, April Fools kahapon, so may kumagat ito, may pumato sa hamon. Ayan, nagpatato si kuya oh. So ngayon, ito ang sabi ng Taragis. Our April Fools Day post has published earlier in the day. After that, we received a number of messages claiming that our post has executed and that some had taken seriously. Let this serve as reminders of us all how important trading comprehension is. It's April Fools Day. Never trust anything or anyone, the same as any day. Once more, Taragis is not accountable for event that occurred. Thank you. Hindi naman lahat ng tao alam ang April Fools Day. Hindi man tayo priya sa US na alam na lahat. Sana mabigay pa rin ng pera kay kuya. Kawawa naman si kuya oh. Habang buhay na niyang dadalhin yung tattoo na yan sa mukha niya, sa noo niya. So sabi na dito, important trading comprehension daw. Alam mo, nasa Pilipinas tayo eh. Madaling maniwala ang mga tao sa fake news.